I'm going to take some photographs as well. With the lightning. Going up to see the bells for a minute with some friends.
Sorry?
Just saying I'm going up to see my bell with my friend. So I'm used to the sound of bells.
Quite steep and not even.
Oh, don't worry, I'm very strong. I'm going to take some pictures as well, so it's not far. Just give me some.
Quite a way up.
Are they in there?
That's the bell chamber there now.
Let's have a look.
It's very steep and awkward.
I'll take some pictures as well at the end as well. So this is where they are. Thornton and Craven's 6 bells are up.
These bells are in what was the ringing chamber.
Yeah.
Because when they were restored and augmented to 6 with the new frame,
Alright.
English heritage.
Oh, so it's like
insisted that
anti-breach.
the old frame had to stay in place. It's up above.
Alright.
You might just be able to see some bits of it with the black plastic over them. That's actually the old bell frame.
Where am I looking?
Right up above your head, through the beams.
That?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where the black plastic is. They insisted that it was they were kept in place because of the inscription on them.
Alright.
There was an inscription, I think, to do with the rector at the time. Plus it's got the name of J. Harrison on it.
J. Harrison.
And Harrison of longitude fame and his brother James worked originally on church clocks and
Ah.
bell hangers. So they thought, oh, it must be John Harrison. But by the time that frame was put in 1780 something, John Harrison was away working on his clocks for longitude. Might conceivably have been his brother James.
I might just take
a real
can I
nuisance.
just take some photos with this one as well? I've got 2 cameras. Is that okay?
Yes, if you could have it. I told Christian to make sure nobody does any ringing while we're up here.
It's alright.
Get your ears
Need to get them all in actually.
rusted.
Get these boys here. Get that one over there. That new one. Can I go to that one?
2 new ones at the far side.
Can I get them in?
The two new ones are the 2 on this side near the wall.
Have a look. Needs to take a picture. Yeah, cool. Let's have a look at these little mates of mine. Don't want to go in yet. Get them all together now and then I'll video the rest of the sound.
Right.
I'm just going to video that bell there. Just want to get the special. So these are the 6 bells at Thornton in Craven with my friend. So what's your name? Is it John? What's your name?
Sorry, talk to me.
Yeah, what's your name?
Malcolm McIntyre.
Mark McIntyre. Just say we're doing a special occasion on them. So they're on the 2nd floor like Emley Church and Arnt Bridge, because we've got this window well, stood outside looking out the window outside. So I'm on the second floor of the bells. Not the third floor, because the third floor will be up there where the bells are.
There's some ropes moving, I think they want to ring. Let it come down now.
Okay. Hang on. Just let me get my cameras. Hang on, my cameras look
Let's
on.
turn it round.
No, just don't do it a minute. Anyway, that one nice. Thank you anyway. Thank you so much for that detail. It's a deep one, isn't it?
There's two or three very steep steps there.
Yeah.
I think they were trying to get them up to a level for the
Alright.
ringing chamber. One or two places like
You
that.
clear?
Burns or similar.
You
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah, I'm here now.
No, you clear from the bells,
We're
yeah?
clear of the bells, yeah.
Yep.
Get a bit deaf.
I know the deaf. I'm just with you. Just wanted to see my tour of what happens.
Where do you ring? Where do you ring?
Everywhere, Halifax. Halifax, any church in the world?
Which is your home tower?
Halifax. It's on the YouTube website. I put it on the YouTube website.